Hello everyone. I wanted to share this little trick or tip with each one of you. This is a video from the Blue Sky Bio Academy Latin America, but I think could be helpful for everybody that is doing guided surgery. This is how to make an irrigation tube within like the guide in order to provide more irrigation during the surgery. So as you guys know, Meshmixer provides a lot of different tools, and one of those tools is make Boolean operations. This takes literally less than 30 seconds to do. So this is what I do. So in Meshmixer, what you need to do is select Edit, and in the Edit tab, you will have the Add Tube feature. This Add Tube feature is basically, you can do a lot of different things with it, but what I did was try to position one end of that tube on the buccal portion of where the guide tube is in your guide. Make sure that you put that from the, looking from the inside of the guide, and then looking from the outside part of the guide, you position the other end. Basically inside that add tube feature, you can select the different diameters of that tube. So what I select is basically 1 millimeter radius to be able to use either the syringe or any other instrument for extra irrigation. So as you see, that's a Boolean operation. I have my guide over there, and this is what the assistant has to do. Basically just put the little tip of that syringe in there with saline solution, and there you go. You have some nice irrigation holes within your guide to have that extra irrigation there. I hope you guys enjoy the video.